as always. And I have this EFRUTTI lunch bag thing. So this is what it looks like. I remember I used to get these like a long time ago when I used to live in my really like very old house before YouTube. So it was like so long ago, and like I don't live by there. Like I'm like 1 or 2 hours away now. So, and this is the original, and so yeah, it's been like a long time since I had these, and I really want to try it because it's been like so long and I love these so much. So this is what it looks like. This is the bag, has 4 because for everything. So let's try it. Alright, so first thing I am going to open or try. Alright, so these little pizza things are like to die for. They are my favorite. Like I used to get like 5 or 6 every time I went to the store. So this is what it looks like. If you have not tried them, you have to. They are so good. I'm gonna see if like my taste buds are still the same from like 7 years ago. Or 10 years ago. Wait, no, I was like 6 or 7. So like a long time, like 8 years ago. It's so good. This is what they look like. Still amazing. Those are still so good. Alright. So these, I'm giving these a 10 because they are amazing and so good. And guys, I just lost a tooth a little bit ago. I don't know how. I'm 14 and I'm still losing teeth. See, I just right there. So it was like hard to eat on that side. Like it's not there anymore. And then it also came with a hot dog. So I will be trying this. I remember these too. These were like my favorite. Like I loved them so much. I never ate them together. Like I already. So good. They're chewy, that's why it takes me a while. Now this thing. I'm like so used to eating on this side, but I can't. Wow, already. Those are so amazing. Alright, so now I will be trying the French fries. I guess they're sour. So I have never tried these before. Lemon, I can tell you that. Wow. Those are good. Oh my gosh. I am giving those a 10 because they're so cute. Man, they gave me 3 of the cola things. So 3 of these. Guys, these are my favorite. Like, I love these. They taste like Coke, and Coke is my favorite. So this is what they look like. I'll be trying them. A 10. They're so good. Oh, my mom's back. Yeah, I was home alone. My mom's back. Brother's at the movies. His friend didn't take me. I'm fine though. I like these movies. About time. So that is all in today's video. So everything is a 10 because everything in this is super good. These are very inexpensive, so I would go purchase one. I bought this one. Where did I buy it? Okay, I bought this one at the mall. I forgot which store. I think it was Route 21. I believe it is. But that's where I bought this. You guys, it's so good. I would try it. And please give this video a thumbs up and please comment down below what kind of videos you like and what kind of videos that you think I should do. So, bye guys.